Imagine yourself posting consistently, yet you are not getting the views. And someone else who is not consistent enough is posting and making millions of views, thousands of views. Have you ever seen something like that? If you have seen something like that, this is the reason why you need to pay very good attention on this video. Watch from the beginning to the end, because all information here will change your story. Now I want to open your eyes. Have you come to think of this new algorithm system? Have you ever heard that there's new algorithm system in Facebook? If you're not heard, now listen. When it comes to Facebook, there's something we call consistency. Consistency is no longer working in Facebook, and consistency is also working in Facebook. It depends the way you are managing it. This one word, which is consistency, is actually working very well, and it's not working very well. It depends how you are managing it, like I said. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my video, this is your girl Ugojoy. You are most welcome. So what I teach in this channel is all about Facebook, YouTube, all social media tips, strategies and hacks that can help you in your content creating in these different platforms. So without wasting of our time, I want you to please help me hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, and please help me and like so that it will get to the wider audience for them to understand this new algorithm system, so that they will not be making mistakes they have been making all this while. So please help me and subscribe, okay? So what I'm saying is that in terms of Facebook, is something that you need to understand. If you don't understand this new algorithm system, you will keep on making mistakes. You will keep on working in vain. Okay, when it comes to Facebook, there's something we call consistency. In terms of consistency works and it doesn't work. Now take a very good look at this my page. This is my page that I just opened as of last year October, I think either October or November. I have been posting consistently on this page, and what I post here is all about TikTok challenge. That is what I post here. I have been so consistent on this page. If you check very well on what I'm showing you, you understand that this particular thing that I'll be posting here is not actually ranking well. Now there's something I want to tell you. This is why I said that consistency does not work, and I'll also tell you why I said that consistency is working as we proceed in this video. If you check very well, you find out that in this page I have been posting recent reaction videos. So this reaction video is actually doing well. Get that means if in any way I'm consistent with these reaction videos in this particular page, I'll be ranking very high. But this is the same page that I have been posting my challenge videos that is not ranking well. Now I want to tell you something. When it comes to this now, this is where I say that niche determines if consistency is going to work for you or not. Come to think of it, I have been seeing a lot of people who have been making a lot of videos and getting a lot of millions, thousands of views. And I have been seeing a lot of people like me now who is making 12, 20 something, all those kind of stuff, as you can see it there. So what I'm saying here is that you yourself who have been trying this particular niche of yours, thinking that it will rank high, and it's not giving you what you want, what else again do you think you should be trying? Now that comes to step 2 of what we are talking about. What we are talking about here is that miss your niche. If actually you want to rank high on this social media, especially Facebook, you need to miss your niche. You don't need to have a particular niche until you choose one. Miss them. By the time you post this and post this and post this, you will find out that this is the particular one that works for me, and that particular one that works for you is the one you should go for. So I actually live by example. As you can see, this is my page. This is the particular page I'm posting this challenge video. See what I always get: 0, 2, 3, 4. Just nothing. And this is the same page that I have been posting this reaction video. See what I'm getting. So this is what I'm saying, that you should miss your niche, because you don't know the one that will rank high. There are a lot of viewers in Facebook, but the thing is that you're not giving them what they want. You'll be thinking that, in fact, the new algorithm system is not even seeing my page. It's not even doing this, it's not even doing that. No, you're actually the one making your page not to rank high. You're actually the one making your videos not to come out. My dear, what Facebook needs is quality content. They need quality content. What is your unique content? What type of content are you actually bringing there? If you bring a content that will attract audience, if you bring a content that will actually attract audience, my dear, no matter what you do, even though it's your village people that have been after your life, it will rank high. What I'm saying here is that you should miss your niche. Try as much as possible, miss your niche, and know the one your audience wants. That is the one you should keep and continue posting. So this now brings us to number 3, which is what is now your niche. Now you have understand that this particular thing that I'm doing is the one that my audience wants. Now this is now your niche. What you should now do to it, which is now bring us to number 4, which is to target that your audience. What time do you actually get more views? What is the actual time my viewers are always online? Which of these videos has been ranking higher than others? Check the time when you posted this particular video and use that time and post more on this time. Post more videos on this particular time to rank more higher. This is what you should do. Then the next thing you have to do is what? Now, once they are done doing this, the next thing you should now do for me now is consistency works. This is not the reason why I say that consistency works. By the time you have understood what your audience out there wants, this is now you now bring in consistency. Maybe you have been posting once in a day, 2 times in a day, or 3 times in a day. Now this is not the time you now increase your content posting. Post more videos in a day to rank more higher, to earn more money. You have understood what they want. This is what they want. Oh yeah, increase your speed. Bring more videos for them. They will watch it. This is the new system algorithm in Facebook now. Hear it and have your peace. This is the only way for you to make it. If actually you want to make it in Facebook, if actually you really want to make it in Facebook, this is it, my dear. There is no Jupiter about this. No juju, no magic on this one. This is just it. Okay, after you have increased your content posting, this is now the time you now come and start enjoying your earnings. You will start enjoying your earnings like others. So my dear, my little advice for you is that you should stop thinking that consistency does not work in Facebook. Consistency works. The only thing is that you are not giving your audience what they want. So like I said before, you have to miss your content. Miss the type of content you bring. Miss the type of niches you bring to them. If you give them this one today, they don't like it, you bring another one to them next time. Miss it until you know the one they like. That is the only way for you to select the particular niche your audience want. From there, you will see your page will start doing very well. So stop joining those people. Some Facebook coach has been saying consistency does not work in short videos, all those kind of stuff. You will still see some people making long videos and still making a lot of money, all because of what? The niche the audience wants. They have built their audience with that niche. When you post a video, Facebook will just publish it. You will see few of your followers that will watch it for before you get to other new people that need to watch the video. With this your main audience watching it, it will make the video to have more reach. Facebook will be like, okay, people are actually watching it, they will push it, all because of what? This is what you normally post for them, and they enjoy watching it. Give them what they want and relax and cash out your money. So that's just it, my people. So please do well to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye.